Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Life with the Rebel. So today, we're gonna clean this chain on this 2024 Honda Rebel 300. And actually, guys, it's overdue for a cleaning, way overdue. After some research, I found that, well, most of the answers that are popping up is around 500 miles. That's when you should do a chain cleaning. Maybe sooner, if you take it out and it's raining or you're taking it on some dirt roads or something, you might want to clean it sooner than that, but that's what I'm sticking with, 500 miles. Okay, guys, to make the job a little bit easier, I picked up a couple items. Okay, for starters, I picked up this road chain care kit by Motul. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's like an all-in-one kit. It comes with the cleaner, comes with the lube, comes with the brush, and it says it comes with gloves. So we should have pretty much everything in here. Also to mention, guys, this will be the first time I've ever cleaned a chain on a motorcycle. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. But, I mean, it's a chain, right? Also, guys, to make the job easier, I picked up one of these little stands here. This one is by Pitstop, or it's called the Pitstop. Now, this company makes other ones too, different size ones, basically. They have a smaller one for, I think, around like 20 bucks. Different size and for different weights. I actually think they have too many options, but I went for this one because of the ramp. So it's got these metal rollers on here. So we should be able to back the bike up onto this and spin the tire. Also has little rubber feet under here, make it grippy. I did test it out earlier and it was a little bit different than what I expected, but we'll get into that more. But this one here was like about 35 bucks. We'll give it a try here again in a minute. On top of that, guys, I will be using some rags and probably this hex bit or an Allen wrench, 5mm, to remove the chain guard on here. So I could have a better look. You probably don't have to do that, but I'm going to so I can see everything better. So in addition to those items, guys, I'm going to try this out. It's one of those little mini vacs, little air duster that you see all over Amazon, USB chargeable and stuff. It sucks and blows air out. So we're going to try it and see if maybe we can blow some of that gunk out after we brush it. Also, guys, picked up one of these little stools for like 25 bucks. It has wheels, little storage area, put some rags, cleaners, stuff like that, or maybe your drink. And you can just sit on it and sit around and work on your bike. I use it a lot for cleaning the bike. I don't even have to get off or stand up. I don't know how well it will work with this chain since we need to get really down in there, but still pretty cool to have if you want to clean your bike and you're lazy. Anyways, guys, I'll put up links for most of that stuff. And yeah, if you click on the link and buy it, I'll probably make like 50 cents or something, okay? Just letting you guys know, but appreciate it. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove this wire tie that I put in there because I lost the bolt. That was easy. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and take this off. And there you go, guys. That's what it looks like. I didn't know there was a bolt in the back holding it in place too, so I guess that's pretty good. Actually, guys, this is a pain in the butt to get to. You got this plastic up here is blocking. I can't get the socket on it. I could use a little Allen wrench like this, or I might have something bigger, but it's hard to get in there. It's hard to get some leverage unless you go through the other side and stuff. So maybe I'll skip trying to take this out because, plus I'm able to lift it up a little bit and have a look. So maybe I'll just stick with that instead of going, I don't want this to be a big ordeal trying to get that thing out just for the chain guard when I don't really have to. So if you guys want, leave the chain guard on, okay? Don't mess with it. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's all included. And then we'll put the bike on a stand and get to work. Ooh, what's all this? sticker. Cool. The brush and some gloves. Pretty cool. The brush there, maybe use that on the sprocket too. That's the lube. And with this, chain clean. Yeah, so 2 cans, a brush, and some gloves. Let's get to it. Yeah, guys, so I got this ramp under here. Trying to line it up a little bit. Let's go ahead and just roll it on here. Usually takes me like 2 little bumps to do it. Get some momentum. There we go. So here's the thing about this. Put some gloves on, but it didn't work as expected, as I expected, because I thought I was expecting the wheel to turn a lot easier, basically. So I'll go ahead and show you. You can turn the wheel off while it's on there, like this. Yeah, what do you guys think? Now it does take some effort. It's not going to just spin freely. It takes a little bit of work, but that could be good too in a way, because you know I don't want to get my fingers stuck in the sprocket. So it does the job. That's all I gotta say. It does the job. So that's what we're gonna use. Okay, guys, it's time to get down and dirty with this chain. You can see it here. Here's a close look. Not too bad, right? Also, I got some cardboard and a rag there. Catch any drips. That, try to keep things clean. And also, I got my gloves on. And if you want to be extra safe, you could wear eye protection too. Okay, guys, we're going to start with this can of chain clean, and I'm going to spray it on here, let it soak for a minute, and then we'll scrub it. But I'm going to use a rag to get behind here, so let's go ahead and try this out, guys. You see that? Pretty good. They have good pressure and everything. Oh, here, I'm going to wipe on the sprocket too. Kind of clean any of that gunk off. Yeah, get behind there. The back side and the front. Let's go ahead and try this brush on it. Let's go from the top first, maybe. Do a bit on the bottom. Let's take this rag to it, guys, and wipe anything off. Yeah. I'm gonna hit it one more time. Okay, guys, let's try this air duster and see if it will blow anything out. Brush up here on the bottom, on top. I'll hit it one more time. Give it a wipe down. And then do the rest of the chain. And then I'll get back with you guys when it's time to lube it. I just gave it a cleaning. How's it look? Nice and shiny? Definitely a difference from before. It's shiny. So a couple things to note though, guys, from doing this cleaning. For one, if you're concerned about the smell, the fumes, the odor or whatever, the smell's not very strong or anything, but it could give you a headache, if you don't have any ventilation. Yeah, and also guys, watch out for the splatter, when you're using the brush. It can get a little messy. We'll go ahead and try this lube next. And we'll just spray it, rotate the wheel and keep spraying it until we get it all lubed up. And, make sure you have a good amount on the top here where it's going to make contact with the sprocket. Oh. Now watch out for that overspray too, guys. Yeah, I just sprayed a bunch on this bit here on accident. Okay, I'll rotate the wheel and I'll spray some more on. Tell me when to stop, guys. Actually, you can see from the inside of the wheel where the chain is. Get an idea when to stop. That on the wheel there. Yeah. Watch out for some of that overspray, guys. Get on your tires. Be careful for that. Yeah, I like the pressure that comes out of this thing. Just do little baby squirts like that. Make sure you try to eliminate that overspray. Just got everything lubed up. It's all clean, lubed, and ready to go. So all I'm going to do next is button this back up, get the bolts back in there and everything, clean up any overspray, make sure that's good, and then we'll finish this video off with a quick little ride around the neighborhood. Okay guys, let's just take a quick little cruise around this neighborhood nearby, and yeah, that went pretty good, better than I expected. I mean, that chain cleaning kit, that Motul chain cleaning kit, worked pretty good, and the whole cleaning process was pretty quick. The only thing though from doing that, like I said, make sure you use it in a ventilated area and watch out for that overspray, especially with that lube. I got some of that on the tire and it's all sticky and stuff now on the side of the tire, so I'm gonna try to get some of that off a bit better. But overall, it was, like I said, it wasn't bad. Also, the I ended up using about half of that can of the cleaner. Not so much on the lube, but that cleaner I used about half. So maybe I used a little bit more than I needed with it being my first time. But it's something to keep in mind, guys. Now that grandstand or grand pit stop stand or whatever it's called, that worked pretty good. The wheel didn't spin as easily as I thought it would, but it still did a job. And I also like it because it's compact, so I can kind of store it away, you know, put it away in the cabinet or something, which might be good for some of you guys who are like living in an apartment or something like that. But like I said, there's also different options. They have smaller ones, so if you guys pick up one of the smaller ones for like 20 bucks or something, let me know if that, you know, how good that works. I might be interested in one of those too, but I opted for this one for 35 because it had the ramp. I just thought it'd make it a little bit easier to put on, that's all. So watch out for these kitties. Like I said before, I wouldn't mind using an air compressor with the little air gun to help blow out some of that gunk. That little duster I used, you know, I just wanted to try it to see if it would do anything. But other than that, guys, don't forget to keep up the maintenance on the chain, you know, so it lasts a lot longer. You don't want it to get damaged or anything while you're out and break or something. And plus, it's supposed to ride a lot smoother when it's clean, you know, clean the chain, clean the sprocket and everything. But I think that's really all I have for you guys today. Oh, and a quick shout out. I need to do a quick shout out to Tom Wynn, who's well, put it this way, guys, I didn't put up a video last weekend. I was hoping no one, you know, would notice, but Tom did, and definitely mentioned something about it. Couple times he was on me, he was on my butt for not putting up a video, so I appreciate it, Tom. I will try to get more videos up. I'll try to get a video up every Sunday. at least something, maybe a YouTube short if I can't. But past couple weeks been a lot of rain, so appreciate all you watching, appreciate all you subscribing, liking, commenting, and you know, remember guys, be safe, stay focused, stay motivated, and have fun out there on your bike. I'll catch you all in the next video. This is Life with the Rebel, and I'm out of here, guys.